What if you could save more than 10 hours every single week using AI? Just imagine finishing your work faster, creating noticeably better content, and even making more money, all with the right AI tools. We all have the exact same 24 hours in a day, but the way we're actually using those hours, that is completely shifting. In this explainer, I'll reveal 10 highly specific AI tools that are completely changing the way people work in 2026. And look, this isn't just about some cool new tech. It's about giving you a massive, tangible advantage in whatever you do, literally, by giving you your time back. Welcome to Nordic Wealth. If you want to work smarter, grow your income, and stay ahead with AI, you're in the right place. Our whole philosophy here is about maximizing your potential without burning out. So let's get started on building your ultimate workflow. All right, Section 1, Writing and Ideation Tools. Okay, let's dive right into this because this is where every good project begins. Our first tool is one you definitely know, but you might not be fully leveraging yet, ChatGPT. Think of this as your ultimate brainstorming engine. You know that feeling of staring at a blank cursor on a blank page? Absolute nightmare. But with ChatGPT, you just bypass the blank page entirely. Whether you're dreading writing some complex emails, researching broad topics, or literally drafting full business plans from scratch, this is your starting line. It's incredibly fast, super conversational, and really the absolute best tool for students writing essays, freelancers pitching clients, and entrepreneurs who are looking to scale up. But here is where we actually need to be strategic. While ChatGPT is amazing for that fast brainstorming and quick drafting, Claude is kind of its highly analytical counterpart. Claude is perfectly engineered for writers and business owners who need to handle massive blocks of text. If you're dealing with long documents, complex reports, or you just need a really deep, nuanced analysis of a PDF, Claude often maintains context way better. Plus, it writes with a slightly more natural, distinctly human tone. And honestly, knowing which one to use, that's half the battle right there. Now, once you've generated your ideas and drafted your documents, you need that final polish. Enter Grammarly. It's basically your ultimate safety net because, let's be real, nothing ruins a brilliant pitch faster than using the wrong there. It doesn't just catch little typos. It significantly improves your grammar, your spelling, and your overall writing clarity. It just ensures all that brilliant text you just generated sounds perfectly clear and professional before you finally hit send. Moving on to Section 2, Research and Organization Systems. So now that we have our writing locked down, we've got to tackle the next challenge, gathering information without completely drowning in it. Think of this next part as your strategic map for finding the right organizational tool. We've got Perplexity AI for research, NotebookLM for documents analysis, and Notion AI for project management. I want you to consider which of these use cases actually matches your own daily professional struggles. Are you constantly researching, buried in reading material, or maybe just trying to keep your daily tasks from totally falling apart? Now, what's really interesting about Perplexity AI is how it completely redefines the whole search engine experience. Instead of just giving you a massive list of blue links to click through, crossing your fingers that one has the answer, Perplexity acts as a lightning-fast research assistant that reads the links for you. And crucially, it actually cites its sources. It literally gives you footnotes. This makes it exceptionally powerful for fast market research, learning entirely new, complex topics, and doing deep content planning where accuracy actually matters. Next up in our research stack is NotebookLM, which is honestly like magic for your personal files. So instead of searching the wider internet, NotebookLM allows you to directly upload your own documents, even those incredibly dry 100-page PDFs or messy meeting notes, and then you simply ask questions about them. It interrogates your specific files to extract exactly what you need in seconds. If you just need to understand the main risks mentioned in Chapter 3, boom, it summarizes that information for you instantly. And to hold all of this research together, we have Notion AI. Think of Notion AI as your central, intelligent hub. It connects all your disparate research, your meeting notes, your daily tasks, and your team projects in one seamless workspace. It can automatically format your notes, generate action items from a random brain dump, and make team collaboration incredibly smooth. For sure, it's the ultimate tool for keeping your digital life perfectly organized. All right, Section 3, Visual and Audio Creation. Okay, so we've written our content and we've organized our research. Now it's time to package those ideas so people actually pay attention. First up in the creative stack is Canva AI. Now, Canva was already great, but its AI capabilities, they turn it into a complete one-stop shop for visual creation. You can literally just type in a prompt and generate stunning YouTube thumbnails, highly engaging social media posts, full presentations, and professional marketing graphics. It completely democratizes design, meaning you can create beautiful visual content without needing some expensive graphic design degree. For audio, we look to ElevenLabs. If you're creating media, you know audio quality is absolutely everything. ElevenLabs generates startlingly natural human-sounding voiceovers. The inflection, the breathing, the pacing, it is mind-blowing how real it sounds. It is absolutely perfect for generating audio for YouTube, polishing up podcasts, or creating professional training materials, all without needing to rent an expensive recording studio or hire voice actors. And moving on to video automation. If you've ever edited a video, you know exactly how incredibly tedious it can be. Well, CapCut AI completely removes the manual, boring, heavy lifting of video editing. With literally a single click, you can automatically add dynamic captions, instantly remove all those awkward silences and dead air, automatically reformat long videos into snappy shorts, and just drastically speed up your entire editing workflow. It literally gives you your weekends back. Finally, rounding out our creative tools, we have Gamma. Have you ever spent, 3 hours endlessly tweaking a single slide layout in PowerPoint just because a text box wouldn't align? Gamma fixes that. It is the ideal solution for generating highly professional, beautiful presentations in minutes. You just give it a basic outline or a prompt, and it builds the entire deck for you, formatting and all. It's a massive time saver, absolutely ideal for students rushing a project, startups pitching investors, or businesses that just need quick internal updates. Section 4, building your AI workflow. So, the crucial point is this. We've just covered 10 incredibly powerful tools, but having them is only step 1. We really don't want you getting overwhelmed trying to use 10 different apps tomorrow morning. Instead, follow these actionable steps. Step 1, pick 1 or 2 tools that solve your biggest, most painful daily problem right now. Step 2, build your workflow around those specific tools until they become second nature. In step 3, gradually improve over time by stacking new tools onto your process only when you're fully ready. Start small to build a sustainable advantage. I want to leave you with this thought to really cement why we're doing all this. AI won't replace people who are willing to learn, but people who use AI effectively may gain a massive advantage over those who don't. This isn't about fear. This is about incredible opportunity. The future absolutely belongs to those who adapt. Embrace these workflows and you will be the one with the advantage. If you found this explainer helpful and you're serious about working smarter, make sure to subscribe to Nordic Wealth for more practical AI workflows, personal finance tips, and wealth building strategies. But right before you go, ask yourself this. Out of the 10 hours you're going to save next week using these tools, what are you going to build with your newly found free time? Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next explainer.